Access denied, error 0x80070005. Hitting in the Microsoft Store, Xbox app, or Windows Update. There's a fix for each in under 3 minutes. An app or game in the Microsoft Store won't download, just stops and throws that code, or Windows Update keeps failing at the same point instead of finishing. Or you're installing something and it says access denied even though it's your computer. This is it. I've cleared this on store apps, Xbox Game Pass installs, and broken Windows updates on the same machine. Pick your scenario. Microsoft Store or Xbox app. Reset the store cache. This clears out corrupted install data that's blocking the download. Press Windows key plus R. A small box appears. Type wsreset.exe. Hit enter. A black window opens, sits there, then closes on its own. That's exactly what's supposed to happen. The store will open automatically after. Try the install again. If it works, skip to the end. If it's still failing, go to Fix 2. Removing duplicate Microsoft accounts. Open Settings, go to Accounts, your accounts. If you see your Microsoft email listed more than once, remove the extras, keep one, and restart your PC. Try the install again. Windows Update failing with this error? Open Settings, go to System, click Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, click Run. Restart after it finishes and run the update again. If it fails again, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type CMD, right-click, Run as Administrator. Type this and hit Enter. sfc/scannow. Don't close the window. It runs for 10 to 15 minutes. When it's done, run the update one more time. A regular app or installer says access denied. Right-click the installer or the app shortcut. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Most installers need extra permissions to write to system folders. Windows doesn't always ask on its own. Try whatever triggered the error. If it installs or updates without the access denied message, you're done. You just fixed it yourself. Subscribe so the next person finds this too. Still blocked? Drop a comment. Tell me if it's a store app, a game, or a Windows update. I'll help you out.